I know a lot of people come on social media just to unwind from all the depression and everything.
Yes.
But let me tell you something about life. People will try to shade you, but remember you are the objective. People have tried to frame me, but they don't know say I be picture.
Jesus.
They try to stain me, but they don't know say I be Ghanaian. They try to vex for me, but they don't know say I be Nigerian jollof. They try to frustrate me, but they don't know say I be Arsenal fan.
Help us.
They even try to take me for a fool, but they don't know say I be Bobrisky. Remember, when anyone says hurting is the last thing I'm gonna do to you,
Yes.
it's still on the list.
My nigga.
Later, homie.